Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable pizza. First, choose a good quality pizza dough, whether homemade or store-bought, as it forms the base of your delicious creation. Next, prepare your favorite vegetables by washing them thoroughly and chopping them into small, manageable pieces. Remember to preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for baking when your pizza is assembled. Once your dough is ready, it's time for the sauce. Spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce across the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, generously apply shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. This creates a wonderful, gooey foundation for your vegetables. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a light sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Now for the star of the show, the vegetables. Arrange your chopped veggies evenly over the cheese. Don't be shy. Use a variety of colors and textures like bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and spinach for a vibrant and delicious pizza. A small drizzle of olive oil over the vegetables before baking will help them cook beautifully and add a lovely richness. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Place your pizza in the preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Once baked, let the pizza rest for a few minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Enjoy your homemade vegetable pizza. And hey, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.